Hi guys, back with another video. You read the title. Can't wait, I can't wait. I'll just cut this out. Alright guys, we've just loaded in. Ooh, I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait, I haven't played it. This game's fascinating. I never read the last bit. Samuel Studio. Bro, it's a sheep and a stupid tank. Like, what the hell? Ooh, what the hell? Okay, this is... Bro, watch yourself. I say... What? Whoa. Hi, Bonnie. You're my favourite. Everybody knows that. Let's continue. Even though I've never played this game before in my life. Oh, what is that picture though? Like,
Welcome to the Freddy Fazbear Virtual Experience. Use the console in front of you to navigate the menu and pick one of the frightening experiences available. By completing these scenarios, more will become available. You'll see plenty of familiar faces and some new ones as well. So stay a while and have a good time. And remember, despite the temporary horror you may experience, this is a completely controlled environment and you aren't in any real danger. Fazbear Entertainment not responsible for real danger. Please make a selection from the virtual menu.
How do I play? Is it this? I think it is. I don't like this. I don't like it. How do you play? Please help me. Just... Oh wait, I need to hold it. Bro, I'm an idiot. You need to hold it. Alright. Oh, you guys are gonna love this video. I'm gonna get so scared. Bro, what are the physics? Oh, start game. I need to duck down just to get to it. That's stinky.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Oh no, it looks like Bonnie's guitar is out of tune and must be recalibrated.
Okay.
First, we must access his harmonization module located inside his secondary throat pipe. To access the throat pipe, both eyes must first be removed. You must be as precise as possible when removing the eyes from their respective sockets. First, firmly grip Bonnie's left eye and carefully remove it from its socket.
So his left... I'm going to take out his right eye. Wait, no, that's his right eye. I'm going to take it. Why? I don't want to. It's scary. Okay. Bonnie.
Great job. Deposit the left eye in the cleaning receptacle on your left.
Okay, here.
Well done. Now, firmly grip Bonnie's right eye and carefully remove it from its socket.
Okay. Sorry. You guys.
Deposit the right eye in the cleaning receptacle on your right. Good job. To open Bonnie's faceplate, carefully press the two buttons located on either side of Bonnie's jaw. When done correctly, you should hear two small clicks.
Okay. I don't want to. Will I get jump scared if I mess it up? Nice guitar, buddy. What would you play? Really? You play emo music? I didn't think you were emo. So let's do this. Alright. Let me just duck down. Okay.
Well done. You now have access to Bonnie's harmonization module. Press the blinking button inside Bonnie's secondary throat pipe to enter calibration mode.
Okay.
Something is not right. One of those notes is out of tune. You may push the button again to replay the audio check. Press the colored button that corresponds to the incorrect note.
Oh, I need to memorize this. Oh! This is the memory game. I don't like the memory games. You guys are going to help me out. I can't do this. Right. So it was blue, green, red, yellow, orange. So how do I do this? Right, so what one doesn't sound right? What one doesn't sound right? I'm gonna be here for ages. It's yellow. Yellow sounds like gink. Do I just touch it? Do I just...
Press the blinking button again to verify your work.
No, I done it wrong. I didn't grab that one. I grabbed the other one. Wait, no, I can't even turn it back. Okay, please don't jump scare me. Oh, thank God.
Great job. Bonnie is in tune and ready for his solo. Let's close him up. Simply replace both eyes in the same order that you removed them, then close up the faceplate, and we'll call it a day.
Did I take out his left eye first or his right one? The left one, but I'm sure it was his left one. I can't reach. My floor's down too low. Come on, reach. No. Come on, reach. Tracking, please. Be on my side. No! Come on. I can't reach. I need to fix my boundary. That sucks, doesn't it? Fix it. Oh, that's a beard. Oh, and I'm a bit short. That's his right eye. This is his left one. Yo, what's up? New eyes equal new person. Oh, Jesus. Can you guys tell that I'm scared? Press the two buttons.
Well done. That concludes your parts and services task. See you next time.
Okay, thank you. I think you're jump scared. You guys proud of me? No, you're not. Oh, game 1. Claim your prize. Okay. What's in there? I can't cheat and see. What if I get jump scared? It's a balloon! Can I eat it? No. No, my balloon. I want my balloon. No, my balloon. Continue. I got a balloon. So we'll call that an episode. So we will. What's this? Oh, pennies. Oh, yummy. Give me one. Oh, yummy. Freddy Fudge Bear. I'm gonna eat all this. Yummy. What's that? Price counter. Ooh. Penny. Wow. Mega Ball. Give me another one. What? That sucks. Penny. I found a penny. Where did the penny? I got a penny. I got a penny. Tika, I got a penny. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you want to see more on this game, I'll probably make more because I like this game already. I'll probably do some stuff while not recording, or I'll probably just record straight after this. Okay, bye. This is a good game so far.